Okay, I started recording. Okay, so today I'm going to tell about a first thing is always one, that is how to check system configuration. So how to check system configuration. So why it is, because there is another question, what is your system configuration? You have a laptop or a desktop, you must know what is configuration, because already I told, know about what you know and what you have. Okay, so general question. So guys, I forget to mention last part. Thing is, we are giving training, and also we are trying to tell what type of questions you will get it. It does not mean training is for your interview. It's not interview training. So there is a gap between you and, okay, there is small gap, means the basics needs are required. There is a certain basic knowledge is required to work in this profile, like a PC hardware and a networking basics, server service desk basics. This basic understanding is required to start work. So that's what I'm trying. We are trying to give you the training. Okay. So it's not like interview training, but interview is also very important, right? Without completing interview, like without success in interview, you can't get inside. So that's the point. Okay. So these two things we'll discuss, but meanwhile I will tell some more things, guys. You should try. What is your mobile phone configuration? Is your mobile phone configuration? So check your system mobile phone configuration. You have a mobile phone. You may have a laptop or not, but everybody having mobile phone. Try to learn what is the how to check your mobile phone configuration. Know about your mobile phone. That is the thing. Difference between Android and iPhone means iOS. Okay, Android phone and iPhone. Difference between Android phone and difference between Android and iPhone. So what are the not required core operating system differences, guys? Basic difference generally you know. Okay, and Windows and Mac OS means Apple computers, right? MacBook, Windows desktops or laptop. Okay, Windows system. Okay, Windows computer or a MacBook kind of stuff. General things not required. A core operating system details, core functionalities not required. Just general knowledge base. Intel and AMD differences, computer laptop differences, laptop tablet differences, mobile tablet differences. Okay, there's a lot of things which we already know. Okay, so find out these things. This is completely up to you only. Okay, it is completely up to you. How to find, that is your wish. This part you try. Keep try, guys. You will learn a lot of things. You learn a lot of things. Okay. So next one is, if you got any question, if someone asks you question, okay, what is your system configuration? Tell me about your laptop what is your system, what is your PC, what is your laptop. Okay, so any question, so base question is what is your system configuration. You know, when we ask someone like our students like what is your system configuration, a Lenovo IdeaPad, okay, someone will tell a HP 2345, okay, Latitude, or maybe there will some, it is i5 system. That's it, no other details. Okay, only it is a hi-fi system. It is 15-inch system. It is a laptop. It is a desktop. Okay, so different type of answers. It is a all-in-one PC. It is a gaming PC. So even people are working, so the people are unable to tell very basic level of questions and answers. Okay. What are the things we should tell? What are the things we should tell about a if you got this kind of question, and why also will tell. You should tell about your CPU, about your RAM, about your storage, like a hard disk. Okay, which type of storage, hard disk or SSD. Okay, which type of storage you are using and their sizes. Your operating system, what operating system you are using. Okay, if in case you want to add graphic card information, that is you can add it, but very important is your CPU, your RAM, operating system. Will you provide answer for all the questions? No, we don't provide any answers for any kind of questions. Okay, from here training, but this is questions we told guys, we don't give a questions and answers. I'll give you questions, not only this guys, I will share one question bank is there. I'll share the questions. I will tell where to find some answers and you can search for a certain answers. Okay, you have to practice answering guys. There is no right wrong answers in the personal based questions. There is no right no wrong question answers. Technical questions having right or wrong answers, but these questions don't have any right and wrong. First you should understand and practice. Okay, Intel. Okay, CPU types are not only what about CPU. CPU is a Intel CPU is there, AMD CPU is there, their clock speed is there. Okay? Every CPU having a clock speed, model number, for example i3 processor or i5 processor. Okay, or a ryzen model, ryzen 3, ryzen 5. Okay, model number is there. Okay, and clock speed is there, number of cores, number of logical processors, cache memory. Okay, the cache memory and bit. Okay, bit means this is a 32-bit processor or it is a 64-bit processor. Bit architecture. We will get technical answers from your side, or we have to collect. Right. Some people are asking so many questions. Okay, this is a thing we have to tell about your CPU, and I will show you guys. Don't worry, I will show you how to do it. About a RAM, what is the things you have to tell about a RAM? So RAM size is very important. Okay, RAM size is usually in GBs, right? 2 GB, 4 GB. Okay, 8 GB, like that. And a model means it can be a DDR3 or it can be DDR4. Latest is DDR4 and DDR5. Okay, and clock speed of RAM. So for example, 2400 megahertz. So different speeds are there, guys. Okay, storage, it can be hard disk or SSD, and size of that one. Size is also important. Operating system, in general I'm using Windows. Okay, Windows 10 home edition. So what you have to tell? Okay, what is your operating system? Which OS you are using? Edition, operating system with edition. I'm using Windows 10 home edition. If in case you have a graphic card, how much size of graphic card you have? 2 GB graphic card or 4 GB graphic card? Your interest, guys. There's so many details are there. Okay, so about what kind of graphic card you are using, details are there. It is completely yours. Otherwise, you can avoid. Okay, sometimes integrated graphics. What is integrated graphics? Okay, integrated graphics is nothing but your CPU and GPU, graphical process unit is there. Okay, this GPU UHD graphics, or it will show HD 400 type iris. Okay, AMD also providing REDON graphics, like this. Different integrated graphics are there. Dedicated graphics, this is I'm giving information, so no need to um, dedicated graphics. CPU is there. Okay, it is separate. GPU is there, separate GPU. Means graphic card, separate graphics card. Hmm? Separate graphic card. So this is what is your system configuration. What is your system configuration? Okay, but how you collect this information from your PC? So you have a laptop, so you have to tell an answer, right? So that is how to check system configuration. Before going to that one, guys, why you should check the system configuration? It's not only for your interview questions. Already I told, information is not for your interview. Information is to know. Okay. Why to check system configuration? For example, I want to install an application. I want to install a application. Okay. So what to do? I have to check minimum or recommended configuration, means both hardware and OS configuration. You want to install an application, you have to check minimum or recommended configuration. Or you can want to install a game application. To run a application or more applications, we need to know what is our system capacity to run a application, means either one application or multiple type of applications. To run multiple type of applications, we need to know what is our system configuration. Okay. An application or more type of applications, we should know system configuration. So I will show you this part, guys. For example, I want to install a game. Okay. Uh, for example, my favorite game is always COD, Call of Duty. For example, this. Okay. So if you see here, it is system requirements. Check the system requirements. See, it required a Windows 10 64-bit or Windows 11 64-bit compulsory. You can use i5 minimum sixth generation or i7 fourth generation, AMD Ryzen 5, this number minimum 12 GB free RAM is required. Recommended. Okay, not minimum, recommended. 12 GB RAM is required to run. Something it is given asset cache. Video graphics means 4 GB graphic card you require. Radeon. Okay. This is 4 GB graphics is required. See, it is 4 GB graphics is required. So either it is NVIDIA or a AMD Ryzen. So you want to install this game. These are the minimum requirements. Okay. So you want to install an application. You want to install some application. For example, I want to install what is a better application is um, Microsoft Office is there. I want to install this Office. Okay, my Windows operating system. The processor, I need a Windows operating system and 1.6 gigahertz processor are high. 2-core processor is required. Minimum 4 GB RAM and 4 GB available disk space and other things. Okay, like each and every application is, so there is a minimum requirements. Okay, so if you don't follow, guys, if it is not fulfilled, system runs very slowly. It runs very slowly. Okay, so like that, at least you should know it. For example, your system. Okay, your system capacity. Okay, you want to run multiple applications. Can we run on your system? Right? Can we run on your system? System becomes slower. System is working fine, but it is slow. Why slow? You are utilizing more than it is requirement. Okay, if you see, multiple processes are running, some process unnecessarily running. So then it is utilized more CPU power, RAM power, and disk utilization is there. Okay, so how to manage that one? How to manage? Either you should close an application or you uninstall an application. So then we can decide system is good, but it is running slowly. One second, guys. Um, okay, so this is why we should know what is our system configuration. So, how to check this system configuration? I will tell. Just a minute, guys. Just 1 minute only. Guys, are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hearing. Okay. Okay. So here it is. How to check system configuration. There is a different ways to check the system configuration, guys. One by one, we'll see. Either you go run or search button. Okay. So if you put a mesh Info 32. Okay, so you can check, go to MS Info 32, not MS config, guys. MS Info 32. DX Diag. Okay, you can go to DX Diag. Also, you can get some system configuration. Okay, so next one is Task Manager. Okay, you can go to Task Manager, but to go to Task Manager, you can get it in a different ways. Okay, Task Manager can open in different ways. Mostly in search, it is Task Manager. Okay, so in search, Task Manager, but in run, go to run or a command prompt. It is a task mgr. Okay, of course, Task Manager can open in different ways. It is a lot of confusion. I will tell separately, but it is a Task Manager. Next one is about your PC. Type in a search box. Okay, at search, search about your PC. About your PC. The same about your PC can also open. Can also open like this. Press the Windows button or the Start button. Settings. Okay. Go to settings. System. Windows buttons. Start settings. System. About. This is in search, not in run. This is direct option. And also you can search from the taskbar. You can use certain tools. So like a third party tools, guys, like a CPU Z, or you can use SP. So many are there. So many type of tools are there. Just I'm telling two tools. I will show only one. Okay. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
This is how to check system. Yeah, tell me, guys.
Can you add? So he is waiting in the lobby.
Who is in the lobby?
Sir, Patak.
No, it is not showing the lobby kind of stuff.
Once again.
I think they are already joined and not joined. It's not showing anything on this one. Okay. Guys, we will go to one by one. First one is MS Info 32. What is this MS Info 32, guys? It is a system information. Okay, first I will show you MS Info 32. Okay, in a search or a run, MS Info 32. Okay, it is system information. Now you want to go through the run. Run means this is the box. This is run. MS Info 32. You can open like this also. Okay. So in summary, I am at summary. What are the things we have to collect? That we will collect from here and other options also. I want to take a snapshot, guys. I'm using this Windows Ink. This Windows Ink. Okay, this is a full screen snipping. Yeah, you got it. Okay. So first one is we should know what processor it is, right? This is the processor information. I have a i5 3230M 2.60 processor. It is a 2-core 4 logical processor. It is a 64-bit based PC. My operating system is Windows 10 Home Edition. Okay, Windows 10 Home Edition. And my
Hello.
installed RAM is a 12 GB. Installed RAM is 12 GB. Okay.
Hello.
So this is different ways to get your system configuration, guys.
Sir, can you show this once more?
What it is?
MS Info 32, that one. Can you show it another time?
Yeah, you want to see once more this how to open?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very simple. You don't know run, then type in a search. Type in a search. Even if it is a Windows 11 also, no problem. Okay. So put a MS Info 32. Okay. Just click on this system information. This window will open. Okay. So this is my processor. Intel i5 3230M 2.60 megahertz 2-core 4 logical processors. 64-bit based PC. 64-bit based PC. So it is Windows 10 Home Edition operating system. I have a 12 GB RAM. Okay, I have a 12 GB RAM. Okay, guys. The next one is I didn't find hard disk information. I found processor, CPU information, bit information, and my operating system information and RAM information. Then what about a hard disk information? I go to components, expand the component. This is from summary. This is components, storage, and disk. This is my hard disk. Okay. I'm going to take a screenshot of this one. Okay, so what we are got here. So first I went to the components, under that one storage and disk. So this is my hard disk. So it is a disk drive, fixed hard disk. This is a fixed hard disk, and this is the size. 500 GB hard disk. Of course, partition information, other information is there. Okay, this is how to check system configuration from MS Info 32. This is next one is DX diag, guys. DX diag actually not for a checking system configuration. It is about a DirectX related. It is about a DirectX. Okay, this is DirectX. Actually, it is used to find a DirectX information and your graphics card information, graphical memory information. But also we are getting our system configuration. So here we'll try to find out both the information, but hard disk information we cannot find, but other information we can find. So it is a DirectX diagnostic tool. So it is DirectX diagnostic tool. Okay, so can you see this is the my DirectX diagnosis tool. So in this one again I'm trying to take a screenshot from here. Okay, so you can find your operating system, Windows 10, Home Edition, my processor, my RAM. So this is RAM, guys. This is RAM, and my DirectX version is 12, and it is a 64-bit machine anyway. Okay, so this is the data we got it from here. Okay. Okay, guys, remember this point. Display means your CPU memory. This is your CPU graphics, built-in CPU graphics. Okay, this is built-in CPU graphics information, that name and information, their memory size, VRAM size. The middle one you have to take it, not the this one or this one. Okay, not this, not this. Middle one current size you have to take it. Render means graphics card. Okay, inside a CPU you have a graphical memory, and if you have a dedicated graphics card, that comes under render. Okay, so this is my graphic card memory, and this is my display memory, means my graphic card memory. This is graphic card model. Okay. Guys, understand how to check graphic card information?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I done something mistake. Yeah, here it is, correct one. So this is a render, guys. In render, this is my graphic card, the name, model number. Okay, 720M. It is a 2 GB graphics. 2 GB graphic card it is. So 2 GB graphic card. Okay, this one only. Don't take this is 8 GB. You have a 8 GB. Don't say that one. Okay. So this is the original one, main size. These are the shared memory sizes. Because of shared memory, I'm getting 8 GB. 6 GB shared memory is there. Okay. So it's not about a main card. This is a 2 GB's original graphic card. Like you want to play a game, they'll ask for a graphic memory. So compulsory check this one. The remaining things we don't need to worry. So this is a DirectX DX diag. Okay. So two ways we have checked. What is the other way? Search. In the search you can type about your PC, or you can go to this. First one I will show you this part, guys. So this is the Windows button or a start button. Click on Windows button or a start button, or in a keyboard also there is a Windows button. Keyboard also there is a Windows button. See, Windows button. Okay, in the Windows button or a start button, select settings. Settings. Okay, go to system. This first part, system, and go to last in the list. Last about. There you can find your system configuration. Okay, I'm closing. Why? Because I will open again using this. Okay, about your PC in the search box. So you want to know a system configuration like a Windows 10 or Windows 11. Okay, whether it is a Windows 10 or 11, not old system, guys. Old systems are different. 8, 7 are different. You have a Windows 10 or 11. This is the thing. Okay, so how you do it? 1 second, I will close, which I opened already. The one snapshot is old one is enough. Okay, in search box. Okay, type about your PC. Now it is happened directly. It is open. So otherwise you have to type completely about your PC. But to take a snapshot, it will be closed automatically. What happened? Okay, I'm taking a snapshot in a 3 seconds. Okay, see about your PC. I'm taking this part only, small part. Okay, so it is about your PC. Open it. Okay, next again about your PC. Okay, so directly it open your PC, guys. So what are the information we need? We'll collect it. Okay, we'll collect. I'm taking full screenshot. I'm not removing anything from here. So I'm taking full screenshot. So what I need, my processor information, Intel i5-3230M 2.6 GHz processor. My installed RAM capacity is a 12 GB RAM. Okay. So what we need a processor, we need a RAM, and it is a system type 32-bit or 64-bit. Of course, my laptop currently it is a touchscreen laptop. Okay, it is touchscreen laptop, and my operating system Windows 10 Home Edition. Of course, there is a certain version is also there. Build version is also you will get it. So what I've done, so I went to the settings, system, in bottom about. In bottom you will find that about part. Okay. Guys, got it? So how to check the system configuration? Okay. So what is the leftover, guys? Task manager, I will show you. So how to check system configuration with the task manager. Okay. So how to open task manager? Already I've written somewhere, but you can go to search and type task manager one way, or you can go to run or cmd in command prompt task mgr. Another one is right click on taskbar and select task manager. Another one is there, control alt delete. You press three buttons at a time. Alt control delete. You press three times, so you can get a task manager. Other options also there, but select a task manager. These are the ways to open the task manager, guys. Task manager, so many things we can do with the task manager. Task manager is not used to check your system configuration. It is used to know what is your status of your system configuration. To know the status of your system configuration. Okay. So one by little one. So I'll close this one also. Guys, are you understanding?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you share the notes on group? Hello.
Already, I think I shared.
Okay.
Where is your group?
Okay. 16. Yes.
This is the one.
Yes.
This is your notes only. Otherwise, I will share it again once more. Once I reach my home, okay, so or maybe evening or night, so I will share the recording videos through YouTube.
Okay, sir.
So now it is showing, right? The first one is I open a task manager, very simple. Right click on taskbar, right click on a taskbar, then this is the task manager. I open a task manager, performance, one by one, you can check it. So open the task manager, go to performance, then go by one CPU, memory, then go to disk. If you want, you can go for a network related anything. GPU, if you want, you can add it. Operating system, it won't display. Okay, operating system details, it won't display. Okay, I said no, task manager is not for a system configuration checking. Task manager, task manager, yeah. Task manager is mainly for okay, to check how system is performing, how system process is going on, how to control that process. We can get it from task manager. Okay, but we are getting some information from task manager. We'll see that later. The first one is CPU, guys. Okay. That's a mistake. Okay, this is the task manager we know. Performance. First one is CPU. First one is CPU. See, this is showing my CPU information. My processor, my generation 3230M model, it is 2.6 gigahertz processor. Okay, current utilization is 32%. Current utilization is 32% if you want to see this one. Okay, number of cores, logical processors, L3 cache memories. Okay, of course, virtualization is also enabled. Okay, this is a clock speed. One by one we have to go. Okay, task manager is more screenshot, guys, more screenshots, so you have to go by one. Okay, just for show purpose only, that's why I'm not putting a very big size. Okay, yeah. It is just for understanding show purpose only, so I'm not giving full screen, so I'll try to manage within this cell phone. Okay. So next one, same thing, performance. Memory means your RAM. Memory means your RAM. 12 GB RAM, DDR3, model it is 1600 speed. It's a form factor. It's a sodium package because it's a laptop. Because it is a laptop. My availability of RAM. Guys, why availability RAM should be checked? If you want to run new application, some application is you want to run. Okay, check the availability RAM. Availability RAM is available, so you can run more applications. Lesser availability of RAM, control applications. Only these applications only we should run. Okay, means if I open one more application, availability RAM will be reduced. So we can understand. Okay, if you no longer required applications, better to close it. You are not using application, it is open but not using, better to close it. Okay, so if available, my available RAM is showing 1 GB, I want to open another application. What I have to do, I have to exit unused application, otherwise I have to do it later. Okay, so this is availability RAM is also very important, not for system configuration, to while working in your system. It is not coming to this set. It's okay. Okay. So people are shouting. Okay. Next we will check about a hard disk. Okay. I have two hard disks, guys. Don't worry. It is my hard disk, and this hard disk having a 3 partition: C drive, F drive, D drive is also there. Okay. And this is a 500 GB hard disk, and type is hard disk because some systems are having SSDs. Okay, so it is SSD or hard disk. Which one is? Of course, I have two hard disks. Okay, just understand. Yes, this is a for life. Otherwise, it will create a lot of big nodes and big size also. Okay. Next one, I want to show about my Wi-Fi. I'm connected to Wi-Fi, and I'm able to get a data, right? So just for additional thing, just like a something additional, but to know this is also there. To know this is also available. Okay, so Qualcomm. Okay, of course, no one will hack your system using the IP address, but I'm in office, better to hide everything. Okay, see, this is my adapter, Wi-Fi adapter. See, I'm getting sending and receiving. So if you are seeing send and receive, means data is sending as well as you are receiving. You are connected, your IP address, you can see your IP address here. Okay, your connectivity, your Wi-Fi. Yeah, one more is there, that is a GPU. I will show you that GPU also. Okay, this is a GPU. So GPU information. We don't get an operating system information from task manager. Okay, my 2 GB graphic card. Current utilization is 4%. Okay, this is my graphic card model. This is my graphic card memory. This is my GPU. Okay, this is what I'm trying to show you guys. You have everything in your system. You don't require any specific softwares or anything. Just you should know it is there. That's it. Not more things. Okay, these are the things we can get it from the task manager. Okay, the last one, guys. The last one is spicy. CPU Z I'm not using now. Initially I use CPU Z, but spicy will give you complete information. Spicy will give you complete information. Okay. So spicy is a tool which is very simple to download, and you don't require to download. Understand? You don't need to download spicy. Okay, I'm showing it is. This is spicy is belongs to your CC cleaner company only. Okay, so it is a free tool, download for free. You can simply download and you can get the information about your system. All information is there about operating system and everything. Okay, so I already installed in my PC. So this is my spicy. So first of all, when we open, it will gather the info your system. Okay, of course, I didn't install a new version. It will pop up that one also. It is not popping. We'll see. First one is operating system, about your CPU, about your RAM, about your graphics card. Okay, about your graphics card, about your storages. See, I have two storages, and optical drive I removed and I insert a new hard disk. So these are the information you are getting directly from this application. So without that application also, we can able to get information from our system. Only thing is we should know how to check it. We should. Okay. This is how to check the system configuration. Yes, this is for today, guys, because it's already 5:30. Usually class will go up to 6:30, guys. Just for today, 5:30. Tomorrow we have a class again at 3 o'clock. Okay?
Hello.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
daily timing is 3 to 6 p.m. only.
Yeah, so daily timing is
Okay.
3 to 6 or 6:30. Don't put it up to
Okay, sir.
kind of stuff. Okay? It's up to 6:30. Sometimes I will close little earlier. Okay?
Okay.
So it's a 3 to 3. Any changes, guys? Any changes? I will inform you. Okay? So tomorrow we have a class. Sunday we don't have a class, but tomorrow we have a class. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, guys. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Sorry for the
Thank you,
interruption,
sir.
sir. I was
No
just want to
problem. No.
know.
Tell me.
So basically, like for tomorrow, there is a ring ceremony of my sister, and as per the message conveyed by Prakash, sir, that there should be only classes from Monday to Friday. So I was prepared by that way.
Okay, okay. But
So
sometimes schedule changes, right? Like a HCL requirement. No problem.
like,
So I will, you can get it from YouTube, right? Videos are available. Okay, so you can,
okay, and you'll share the notes on a daily basis, right?
this link only.
The
I will put
the link
always
which I shared
daily,
on the group.
daily same notes.
Okay,
Same link.
no issue.
Okay, daily same link. Just whenever you want to request, just open the link. You will get the daily notes, and every day class recordings will be available.
Okay, great.
Okay, just for
Thank you.
backup, yes. But sometimes we don't able to attend. So that the
Mhm.
different reasons. So that is for backup recording, guys. Not for a, not for a. Just like you don't need to attend, we'll watch a video. That is not the purpose, but sometimes it is important. Okay,
Thank you for the info, sir. Thank you.
thank you. Anything, guys? Anyone want to ask? Kunal,
Yes, sir. Sir, tomorrow we will have a class.
tomorrow?
Tomorrow we will have a class.
Yeah, we have a class. Okay, okay. That's it for today. Bye bye.